When did Needleman-Wunsch first describe the algorithm for global alignment? A. 1899. B. 1970. C. 1930. D. 1950. The correct answer is 1970. Which of the following is untrue regarding the scoring system used in dynamic programming? A. If the residues are same in both the sequences, the match score is assumed as 5, which is added to the diagonally positioned cell of the current cell. B. If the residues are not same, the mismatch score is assumed as 3. C. If the residues are not same, the mismatch score is assumed as 3. D. The score should be added to the diagonally positioned cell of the current cell. The correct answer is, if the residues are not same, the mismatch score is assumed as 3. Which of the following does not describe global alignment algorithm? A. In initialization step, the first row and first column are subject to gap penalty. B. Score can be negative. C. In trace back step, beginning is with the cell at the lower right of the matrix and it ends at top left cell. D. First row and first column are set to 0. The correct answer is, first row and first column are set to 0. Which of the following is not an advantage of Needleman-Wunsch algorithm? A. New algorithmic improvements as well as increasing computer capacity make it possible to align a query sequence against a large DB in a few minutes. B. Similar sequence region is of same order and orientation. C. This does not help in determining evolutionary relationship. D. If you have two genes that are already understood as closely related, then this type of algorithm can be used to understand them in further details. The correct answer is, this does not help in determining evolutionary relationship. Which of the following does not describe dynamic programming? A. The approach compares every pair of characters in the two sequences and generates an alignment which is the best or optimal. B. Global alignment algorithm is based on this method. C. Local alignment algorithm is based on this method. D. The method can be useful in aligning protein sequences to protein sequences only. The correct answer is, the method can be useful in aligning protein sequences to protein sequences only. Which of the following does not describe PAM matrices? A. These matrices are used in optimal alignment scoring. B. It stands for point-altered mutations. C. It stands for point-accepted mutations. D. It was first developed by Margaret de Hoff. The correct answer is, it stands for point-altered mutations. Which of the following is wrong in case of substitution matrices? A. They determine likelihood of homology between two sequences. B. They use system where substitutions that are more likely should get a higher score. C. They use system where substitutions that are less likely should get a lower score. D. Blossom X type uses logarithmic identity to find similarity. The correct answer is, Blossom X type uses logarithmic identity to find similarity. Which of the following is not a disadvantage of Needleman-Wunsch algorithm? A. This method is comparatively slow. B. There is a need of intensive memory. C. This cannot be applied on genome-sized sequences. D. This method can be applied to even large-sized sequences. The correct answer is, this method can be applied to even large-sized sequences.